Alam nyo ba na nag-walk out si Miss Universe Mexico dahil sa ginawa sa kanya ng isang direktor na si Mr. Nawat? Nangyari ito kahapon sa loob ng room ng Miss Universe Orientation nang biglang hinanap ni Mr. Nawat si Miss Mexico at kanya itong pinatayo. At kung ano-ano ang kanyang pinagsasabi nito at sinabihan niya pa si Miss Mexico na dumb. Dahil ito palang si Mr. Nawat ay mayroon pala itong problema o issue sa Miss Universe Organization. Ayon kay Miss Mexico, si Mr. Nawat ay walang respeto ito. Dahil sa pangyayaring ito, nagkagulo na sa loob at nag-walkout na rin si reigning Miss Universe 2024 na si Victoria. Ito naman ang sinabi ni reigning Miss Universe 2024.
About the women's rights, I'm so sorry for you. So please, bigger, we have respect for everyone, but this is not how things have been handled. To trash another girl is beyond disrespectful, and it's nothing I as a person can handle. That's why I'm taking my call and I'm going.
At ito din ang sinabi ni Miss Mexico dahil sa ginawa sa kanya ni Mr. Nawat.
But what just your director did is not respectful. He called me dumb because he had problems with the organization. And I think that's not fair because I'm here and I do everything okay. I don't mess with anyone. I just try to be kind. I'm trying to give my best. And he just shot me and he just said to me and shut up and a lot of different things. And I think that the world needs to see this because we are empowered women and this is a platform for our boys. And no one can shut our voice and no one will do that to me. And I don't have a problem with any one of you. You have my respect and I love your country. But the way that he treats me without any reason just because he has problems, that is not okay. And I hope that everyone at home, every woman, doesn't matter if you have a big dream, if you have a crown, if that's take away your dignity, you need to go. Thank you.
Dahil sa pangyayaring ito, nagbigay naman ng statement si Miss Mexico tungkol sa issue. Ano na ba yung nangyayari ngayon sa Miss Universe pageant? Ito pa naman ang pinakasikat na pageant sa buong mundo. Sana hindi na lang si Mr. Nawat ang naging executive director ng Miss Universe pageant. Ano ang masasabi niyo sa pangyayaring ito?